Today we're going to learn how to divide whole numbers by fractions. So let's take this whole number 3 and divide it by the fraction 1/2. Well, how do I look at that visually? Well, I'm going to take 3 wholes, which I have right here. I have 3 wholes. And I'm going to divide them into what? 1/2. So I'm going to take the 3 wholes and I'm going to divide them into 1/2. So this is how I'm going to do it. Okay. This is taking my 3 wholes and I'm dividing them into 1/2. Then I'm going to say, how many parts do I have? Well, let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So the answer would be 6. And you're saying, huh? How does that work out? Well, I'm going to take my whole number and I'm going to turn it into a fraction. And then I'm going to divide by 1/2. But there's a trick because I cannot divide this, right? Well, all division problems that involve fractions end up becoming multiplication problems. What does that mean, Miss Rupert? Well, once you've taken this whole number and you have put it into a fraction, the next step is I have to keep it, always keep that very first fraction you have the same. So that's my first fraction, and I'm going to keep it the same, right? But then I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take this division problem, and I'm going to turn that into a multiplication sign. And then I'm going to take that second, the very second fraction, and that always gets flipped. That does not stay the same. So I'm going to flip it from 1/2 to 2/1. And now 3 times 2 is 6 over 1, which gives me the answer 6. That's how I have 6. Okay, that's the trick. All division problems are going to end up becoming multiplication problems.